She stands tall in New York Harbor, torch raised high, a symbol instantly recognized around the world. For millions, she's the first glimpse of America, a silent promise of new beginnings and endless possibilities. We call her Lady Liberty, a beacon of freedom and hope, her face serene yet strong, watching over the city and its people. But what you see from the outside is only half the story. There's so much more beneath the surface than meets the eye. Beneath her copper skin lies a hidden world of iron and ingenuity, a marvel of design that few ever get to witness firsthand. Most visitors never see past the pedestal, missing the real marvel inside, the intricate structure that holds her together. Within her calm, majestic exterior is a complex skeleton, a twisting maze of stairs, and a history built on hard work and innovation. This is where art meets engineering, where a 305-foot-tall woman was designed in France, shipped across the Atlantic in pieces, and painstakingly reassembled on American soil. So, what's really inside? Not concrete or stone, but a masterpiece of 19th century engineering. Iron ribs, copper sheets, and thousands of rivets holding it all together. The statue is designed to sway gently in the wind, to breathe and flex, enduring storms and the test of time for centuries to come. Exploring her interior is like getting a backstage pass to one of the world's greatest icons, revealing secrets hidden from the outside world. Today, we'll start at the very bottom and climb through her iron skeleton, winding our way up the spiral stairs, all the way to her crown. We'll peel back the layers, uncovering the genius of her construction, and see what makes this monument tick from the inside out. The real magic isn't just in her appearance. It's in the sweat, genius, and grit of the people who built and maintain her, hidden from view, but essential to her story. So let's step inside together and discover what Lady Liberty is truly made of. Her secrets, her strength, and the spirit she represents. Every icon needs a foundation, a place where its story is anchored, and its legacy begins to rise. For Lady Liberty, that foundation is not just symbolic. It's a true feat of engineering and vision. Her journey starts deep beneath the surface, with a massive concrete base and an 89-foot granite pedestal that together form the backbone of the monument. This pedestal isn't just a platform, it's a fortress, meticulously designed to support 450,000 pounds of copper and iron, braving the elements and the test of time. Visitors step through the pedestal's grand doors, leaving behind the bustling harbor and entering a world of history and wonder. Inside, thick stone walls surround you, and a museum welcomes guests with displays of rare artifacts, original construction plans, and stories of the people who made this dream possible. Here, you truly grasp the scale of the project, standing beside full-scale replicas of her face and foot. You realize the enormity of the task that lay before its builders. From the museum, visitors can choose to climb 215 winding steps or take an elevator, each route offering a different perspective on the monument's inner workings, all the way to the top of the pedestal. Most visitors pause here, rewarded with breathtaking panoramic views of the harbor, the city skyline, and the endless horizon beyond. An experience that connects past and present. But if you look up, you'll see the intricate iron skeleton rising into the copper shell above, a marvel of 19th century engineering. The pedestal itself was America's gift, funded not by a single benefactor, but by the collective effort of everyday people, after a long and challenging fundraising campaign that united a nation. It's the unsung hero of the monument, quietly anchoring the statue and shaping the entire visitor experience, standing strong through generations. This is the gateway to the hidden world inside Lady Liberty. Are you ready to climb higher and discover what lies above? How do you make a 150-foot copper statue stand against New York's fierce winds, year after year, without toppling over? You call Gustave Eiffel, the engineering mastermind behind some of the world's most iconic structures. Long before he built his famous Paris Tower, Eiffel was tasked with a different challenge. Designing Lady Liberty's skeleton, he created a central iron pylon, acting as her spine, the backbone that would support her immense weight and keep her upright. Around this sturdy spine, Eiffel wove a web of iron bars, forming what's essentially a giant rib cage. These ribs connect the spine to the delicate copper skin, distributing stress and allowing the statue to move with the wind, not against it. This ingenious framework lets the statue flex and sway gracefully, absorbing the force of powerful gusts instead of resisting them. It's a dynamic system, designed to endure the harshest weather. In strong winds, Lady Liberty can sway up to 3 inches from side to side. Her torch, perched high above, can move as much as 5 inches. This flexibility is key to her survival. Thanks to Eiffel's design, she weathers storms and hurricanes, standing strong through decades of battering rain, snow, and wind. Her resilience is a testament to his vision. Step inside, and you're surrounded by a mesmerizing lattice of iron. A hidden world that feels entirely separate from her graceful, serene exterior. Thousands upon thousands of rivets hold this intricate structure together, each one a small but vital part of a hidden masterpiece of engineering. Lady Liberty isn't just a work of art. She's a marvel of mechanical ingenuity, a machine built to last for generations. It's Eiffel's iron guts, his bold, innovative framework, that are the real reason she still stands tall today, defying time and the elements. Ultimately, it's the genius hidden inside, the unseen strength and vision, that keeps Lady Liberty alive, inspiring millions who look up at her every year. The statue's iconic green skin wasn't always that color. Originally, she gleamed like a new penny. Her skin is made of 300 thin copper sheets, hammered by hand in France. The copper is less than 2 pennies thick, shaped using the repoussé technique. Attaching this delicate skin to the iron skeleton was tricky. Copper and iron can corrode each other. Eiffel and Bartholdi insulated them with asbestos cloth soaked in shellac, preventing disaster. Over 30 years, the copper oxidized, forming the green patina we see today. This patina isn't damage, it's a protective shield. Early calls to polish her back to copper were wisely ignored. Inside, the copper remains brown, untouched by weather. You can see the seams, touch the thin metal, and realize how fragile this icon truly is. Her green skin is a story of survival, chemistry, and time. If you're lucky enough to get a crown ticket, the real adventure begins. No elevator, just a narrow, double-helix spiral staircase of 162 steps. The climb is tight, humid, and industrial, winding through Eiffel's iron pylon. 2 staircases spiral around each other, one up, one down, to manage the flow. Small platforms offer brief rests and a close-up look at the iron armature and rivets. The air is thick, and on windy days, you might feel the statue sway. It's a far cry from the postcard image. Intimate, gritty, unforgettable. The climb isn't for everyone, but it's a physical connection to history and engineering. Each step brings you closer to the crown and a deeper appreciation for the monument. You're not just a tourist, you're an explorer inside a masterpiece. Few ever see Lady Liberty from this perspective. The torch-bearing arm is iconic and was a structural nightmare. Inside, it's cramped and exposed, battered by decades of weather. The original torch, with amber glass, leaked and corroded the iron supports. By the 1980s, the arm was dangerously damaged, prompting a massive restoration. The original torch was replaced with a gold leaf replica, now lit by external floodlights. The arm's structure was rebuilt with stainless steel for strength. The old torch is now on display in the museum, a battered relic of history. The torch remains off limits, a symbol of renewal and the ongoing work to keep Liberty shining. After the grueling climb, you reach the crown, a small low-ceiling space. Only a handful can fit at once, peering out through 25 tiny windows. The windows represent gemstones, and the 7 rays symbolize the world's continents and seas. Lean in for a fragmented view of the skyline, harbor, and ocean. Up here, you feel the wind and the gentle sway, a testament to Eiffel's design. The city's noise fades, replaced by awe and quiet reflection. The descent down the double helix staircase offers one last look at the iron skeleton. Reaching the crown is the climax, a reward for effort and curiosity. It's a view earned, not given. Some of the best perspectives in life require a climb. The statue's journey to New York was an epic feat. Built in Paris, she was assembled, then disassembled into 350 pieces and packed into 200 crates. The ship Isère braved storms to deliver her across the Atlantic. But the pedestal wasn't ready. Her pieces sat in crates for nearly a year. A nationwide fundraising campaign, led by Joseph Pulitzer, finally finished the base. Americans from all walks of life contributed, making it a true grassroots effort. Once ready, workers reassembled the iron skeleton and attached the copper skin piece by piece. It was dangerous, painstaking work high above the ground. On October 28, 1886, Lady Liberty was dedicated, a gift from France built by many hands. Her story is one of teamwork, perseverance, and international friendship. She stands as a monument to what people can achieve together. From afar, Lady Liberty is a serene symbol of freedom and hope, but her real story is inside, written in iron, copper, and sweat. The journey from pedestal to crown is a lesson in innovation and endurance. Inside, she's not a goddess, but a machine, flexible, resilient, and brilliantly engineered. Every rivet and beam tells a story of challenges overcome. Her beauty is held up by rugged industrial guts. She's both symbol and machine, a dream forged in metal. Next time you see her, remember the hidden framework that makes her strong. The Statue of Liberty is more than a monument. She's a story you can step inside, and that's a story worth knowing.